is Ann Meeker-Watson, and I created the SING.PLAY.LOVE program for one reason. I want young children to love learning. I believe every child deserves the right start. Our songs, picture books, music videos, and play-based activities help children learn the skills they need to be successful in school and in life. And the best part is that teachers and parents can interact meaningfully with the children they love every step of their learning journey. What are the skills and attributes that young children need to be successful in school and in life? We want them to possess a love of learning, as well as an enhanced skill set for communication, critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and executive function. According to the Center on the Developing Child at Harvard University, executive function skills are the mental processes that enable us to plan, focus attention, remember instructions, and juggle multiple tasks successfully. Much like a skillful air traffic controller who directs many departures and arrivals on several runways, our executive function skills help us to manage distractions and shift gears by thinking flexibly. Executive function is about functional skills. They help us with daily routines at home and school, friendships, work, and play. We take what we know and apply that knowledge to our daily lives. Social and emotional learning also helps us make good decisions by considering how our choices impact others and our environment. Children who are both socially and self-aware have better skills for executive function. Social-emotional learning focuses on the child's emotional competency, as well as their social and interpersonal skills. Relationships and play are the essential ingredients for young children to be able to learn these skills. It is important to give young children the opportunity to practice skills like perseverance, focused listening and looking, the ability to follow rules and expectations, solve problems independently, and initiate play with their friends. The SING.PLAY.LOVE program targets these skills, along with a variety of outcomes for language, literacy, and social-emotional growth. Our program spans the entire range of early childhood ages and stages.
Every child deserves the right start. Sing, play, love. Come for the fun. Stay for the learning.
Sing, play, love.